6:30 p.m. NASDAQ 100 futures, 30 minutes into the opening bell, but we have something that we're looking at. We're looking at a major top. This is the top. There is another top, like we said, that in this bull, as strong as it is, we don't put it past them to go up to the next trend line. And that would be right there at 2063. Somewhere right up here. Yeah, 3263. So that's it right there. 2750. That is the wall of resistance for the futures that are ready to come down, and will draw our support and resistance. Remember, the whole exercise, guys and girls, is trend change. It's a daily chart. That's what we're looking at. Here, I have what we call a 60-minute chart in the NQ100 futures. Right there is the resistance. We have another resistance up here. We played this one right to the neckline, and these are mathematical points generated by our platform that we offer. So here we go. For you in Q100, you can make a fortune at that support level. So let me draw support right there. Remember, they just opened. We don't know what happens throughout the night, but we're going to be able to tell from our trend lines and our support and resistance lines in the NQ100, and then what the mathematical points for making your transaction. Right now, they're down 34, so they're down 32 of the 34. So stay tuned with support and resistance, and we'll update this. They'll be open. They just opened. We go traders, and this is the last support level right here for our futures traders. We have hundreds of futures traders in the live trading room. Join the network. Get involved. Trade futures. We'll guide you. We'll mentor you.